Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Uptime Kuma using Docker Compose on AlmaLinux 9. First, update all system packages. Then, install the required packages. First, add the official Docker repository. Next, install Docker Engine, Docker CLI, Containered, BuildX, and the Docker Compose plugin. Continue to enable Docker and start the service. Check the Docker service. If Docker is running correctly, the service should show the following output. Continue to verify the Docker version. Then, verify Docker Compose. If both commands return version information, Docker and Docker Compose have been installed successfully. Next, create a dedicated directory for Uptime Kuma. Continue to create a directory for persistent application data. The data directory stores Uptime Kuma's database and configuration files. Now, create a new Docker Compose configuration file. Continue to add the following configuration. Save and exit the file. Now, start Uptime Kuma using Docker Compose. Docker will download the Uptime Kuma image and create the container automatically. Continue to check the container status. You can also check the container directly. If the container is running, Uptime Kuma has been successfully started. AlmaLinux 9 commonly uses Firewall D to manage the system firewall. Now, allow TCP port 3001. Continue to reload the firewall. Next, verify the firewall configuration. If Firewall D is not running, check its status. If you are using another firewall or an external VPS firewall, make sure TCP port 3001 is also allowed there. Once Uptime Kuma is running and port 3001 is accessible, open a web browser and visit the following URL. If the Uptime Kuma setup page appears, the installation was successful. You can now create the administrator account and access the Uptime Kuma dashboard.